First, we need to find our measurement markers outwards from the needle. We have our plate here. You can see our 1/4 inch mark that lines up with our foot. As you move outwards, you can see our 5/8 seam allowance, and you'll run the edge of your fabric along this line. If you do not have 5/8 marked on your plate, you can drop your needle, pull in your ruler, and find your 5/8 on your ruler. Line up your 5/8 right to your needle, and as you can see, the edge of our ruler matches up with the 5/8 mark here on this plate. Then, you can place a piece of tape down to create a 5/8 line from the edge of the ruler. So now we're going to put our fabric in and find our 5/8 mark and pull the fabric as much as we can, watching that the edge of our fabric is properly aligned to keep the right sides of the fabric together. Then, drop your foot, hold your threads so they don't get caught in the bobbin, and slowly start. Do a little backstitch, and then begin to sew and watch the edge of your fabric, keeping it in line with your 5/8 line. Then backstitch and trim the ends. And now, as you can see, we have our 5/8 seam.